Hi! Today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at... There we go. 4AA NIMH rechargeable batteries. So these are the ECOJUiCE brand. Renowned power, eco-friendly, hashtag #1 micro USB universal batteries. So lasts up to 5 years. Made by Tizumi. They're a pretty good company. They usually make like things like this and stuff. But yeah. Yeah, anyway. We charge up to 1,000 times. So it says that there is 2 easy ways to charge. Built-in smart LED, battery case charging, boot-in case fully charged. So 1. Insert dual USB micro cable included into any USB charging device. 2. Works with all universal chargers. So yeah. Now I had to pick this one up over at Walmart. It's been a while ago. I want to say something like $15, which is kind of pricey, but then again, when you let the Energizer rechargeable batteries, they're kind of pricey, and if you let just, whether Duracell and other brands batteries that are non-rechargeable, I mean, they're freaking pricey as all heck, man. That's why I'm like, oh man, God, no. I looked into like lots of rechargeable things, because you've seen the price of batteries and lots of devices like, oh hey, you need to get like 6 of these batteries. Well, a 4-pack's running you like $28. You're like, man, it's not even worth it to even buy this product. If it's going to take this many batteries and it's charging this price for the batteries, no. Some people say you can buy these rechargeable batteries at Best Buy. I haven't seen them at Best Buy. They say Best Buy online. I haven't really seen them. You can buy some of these, I know, from like Amazon, but it's not going to be this brand. But they should do the same exact job. Oh, there we go. So here's our special USB cable that we get. Get back there. There we go. So it's not that big for length, for that long, but it's going to do its job. Same USB right there, USB micro right here. So we're just going to put 2 batteries in. Another battery here. And let's take a look at the actual battery itself. So let's just like a standard AA battery. I need to zoom this better. Come on. There you go. Has the milliamp hertz right there, 1,000 milliamp hertz. The brand. Let's just like a standard battery. So right there it has the USB. And they said that it's supposed to light up. So I wonder, where does this thing light up at? Because I'm not seeing like a little circle or button. So let's go ahead and put it into this, for example. Oh, so it lights up right there by the little Tizumi. Which is actually under the sticker. So this brand, if you wanted to, you could peel the sticker up right off of there. Because I was looking like, usually there's like a little cutout somewhere in the sticker or something that you can see the little LED and then you can select it. No, the LED is right underneath the sticker. Once you put it in and it begins charging, you can see it. Right now it's red. These batteries are dead. Once it's blue, we're good to go. That they're fully charged and powered up. So do note, when you get them out of the package, they are going to be dead batteries straight out of the package because they're red. Charge them up, they're going to be good. Now, can you use any other charger? Do you have to use this dual split charger? Yeah, you can use any old charger. You can use your standard single chargers. And if I put this in the right way, because it only goes one way. Yeah, you can see, lights up and stuff. So yeah, as long as you got access to USB mini, or what was it? USB micro, a USB micro charging cable, you can charge them up. So you might have to plug two of them into the wall and charge them up individually, or at least this way you can have two going at once. So yeah. Now, do the batteries get hot? Yeah, I'm feeling a little warmth from these batteries. So these batteries do get a little hot, but it's not going to get anywhere that's going to be a dangerous hot that they're going to blow up or catch on fire or anything. So yeah, it's not going to be anything like, like that. Yeah, I mean, for the price, 4 USB rechargeable batteries for about $15 versus I've seen some like Duracell and Energizer rechargeable batteries go for $25 just for the batteries alone for a 4-pack. That's not including like the $30 to $45 charger that you have to buy separately. So I mean, yeah. And then with the charger, of course, you can only use the charger on a wall outlet. With these, you can put it into your car. You put in that little cigarette lighter. You plug this into the cigarette lighter. If you had a little cigarette lighter adapter, and you're good to go. So yeah, I would say between those and these ones, sure, you can only charge 2 at a time. While the other brands you can charge about 4 at a time. So there's that, but then you gotta let the price point and convenience. If you have to go somewhere and you need them recharged, let's say you're traveling, you don't really want to bring that big old charger with you. And then try to find an outlet that would fit that charger, because some outlets, depending on if they got a table or chairs next to them, you just can't plug it in. With this, you could get it to plug in a little bit easier, because those ones are long and stuff and big, blocky, and square. I have one, and to be honest with you, I don't really like it. It's just too big and bulky. With this, definitely if you're traveling, I'm going to recommend going with this for travel. 1, not going to take a lot of space. 2, very cheap on the price point. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of the rechargeable ECOJUiCE 4 AA batteries. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.